everyone. So this video is for those who have just started their career in makeup. मसँग चाहिँ दुई तीनवटा beginner friendly products which is I'm going to share with you guys. यो चाहिँ मैले already नै use गरिसकेको भएर चाहिँ I just want to share this to those who just started their career in makeup. So I think this is really good to start जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई किनभने यो product चाहिँ quite budget friendly भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि पनि affordable पनि भयो. This one यो चाहिँ MAC को blush palette हो which have 8 shades. Okay, look at this. अनि त्यो भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ you don't have to be confused on what to buy or what to not buy भनेर. So I think this one is very good for beginners है त. So another one is a highlighter. Highlighter मा मान्छेहरु कन्फ्युज भइरहेको हुन्छ नि त कुन लिने कुन नलिने अनि कुनमा राम्रो पिगमेन्ट छ अथवा कुनले चाहिँ राम्रो देखिन्छ kind of. So look at this. यसमा पनि 8 वटा कलरको हाइलाइटर छ. So this one is also perfect for beginners I think. So this video is not a sponsor, not PR, nothing. मलाई चाहिँ मेरो आफ्नो एक्सपिरियन्स शेयर गर्न मन लागेको भएर चाहिँ गरेको हो. एकदमै राम्रो छ. If you guys want to try then you can try this. Both palette are really good. So thank you for watching.